Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to have a new lesson about dilation and similarity in coordinate plane. So let's start. We have here the dilation. Please remember that. The dilation is a transformation, changes the size of the figure, but not its shape. Okay, and we're going to have a scale factor. Okay, the scale factor describes how much the figure is enlarged or reduced. Let's start and see what we are talking about. We have here as an example computer graphics application. Draw the border of the photo after a dilation with a scale factor 5/2. So we have here, guys, a picture or a photo. It's here 5, and he asks me to draw the border of the photo after dilation, and the scale given is 5/2. What are you talking about? We have here some borders, as you see. Okay, it's very easy. A, B, C, D are the borders for the photo, right? Okay, and we have got here A. Do you not here A? It's here on the coordinate plane. It's 0, 0. What about B? 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So B here is 0 and 4. And D, okay, is 0 and 0 on x-axis, 0 and let's count 1, 2, 3. So 0 and 3. Okay, and what about C? C here is what? It's a 3, 1, 2, 3, and what? And up until this is okay. We want to see 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 3 and 4, right? So we have got here some borders, and we have written now the borders here, the coordinate here, points of the points here. So we have written A, B, C, and D, the vertices of the photo, okay, which are A, B, C, and D, and then I will multiply them by 5/2. Why? Because this is the scale. Okay, guys, let's start. I have here ABCD rectangle. Okay, and I have here the other rectangle after change. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Okay, after change. I'm going to do what, guys? I'm going to multiply each point, okay, x-axis and y-axis, okay, by the 5/2. 0 times any number gives me 0, and also for the other here, the y coordinate here also 0 times 5/2 gives me 0. Okay, here 0 times 5/2 gives me 0, but here 4 times 5/2, I can do it here easily for you, please. 5 times 4 gives me 20 numerator, then over 2 gives me 10, over 20 over 2 gives me, yes, 10. Okay, and so on here I'm going to multiply also 3 times 5/2, then 4 times 5/2, 3 times 5, 15/2, 7.5, and then 4 times 5, 20/2 gives me 10, and so on here. After here writing the four borders, new four borders we have here, new, I will draw it. Where? Here on the coordinate plane. Draw the new rectangle now with the new points given, A0 and 0, as you see, A0 and 0, and we have here B0 and 10, so 0 and 10, okay, for B, okay, yes, this is B0 and 10, and then we have got here C, 7.5, 10, 7.5, okay, guys, 7.5 here, and 7.5 here in this point, and 10, so go up until 10, this, then D, we have got 0 and 7.5 and 0, so we start with 7.5 here, yeah, in this point, and 0, I'm not going to go up on y axis, so we have here x axis, and here we have y axis, okay, I can check it out. Draw the border of the original photo after dilation with a scale factor half. Okay, so I have here another kind of questions. It's the same kind. I want you to make this as homework to make sure you understood this point. So I'm going to change here by using times half. So the scale is 2 here, multiply the vertices, every vertices or each vertices by half. After doing so, we will draw a new, yes, a new rectangle with the new vertices here. Okay. Okay. Okay, my dear students, example 2, finding coordinates of similar triangles. Given that triangle TUO, the small purple triangle inside, is similar to triangle RSO, the pink triangle, the larger pink triangle, okay, that contains the smaller triangle TUO. Okay, guys, then find the coordinates of U. Find the coordinates of U, this one, the coordinates of U and the scale factor also. Okay, it's very easy, don't panic. He gives me what? He gives me the points here of S and the points of R and the points of T. And he gives me here also a very important information that they are similar. They are similar. Once they are similar, I conclude that RO, where is RO here, guys? RO, okay, this one over TO. I want to draw it with another color to make sure you can see it. The same as or equals to OU, okay, OU here over O, okay, we have here OY over OU. So let this be with the purple and the will be with the pink. Okay, okay, is it here clear like this? I will make it more clear. Okay, like this. Okay, so as you see, I have here RO here. Can you see it? I hope you can see it from my drawing. RO, it's what here, guys? It's here. RO, this distance is what? We have it here, negative 12, but I will write it as 12, as this is a distance. So it's now what? It's now 12. And I have here also the TO. Where is TO here? Yes, the TO. I want to show you this small part. It's written here. I want to erase this, guys, to make sure you can see the numbers. So I have here again RO, this one, it's what here? Negative 12, and we cannot write in the distance negative 12, so it will be just 12. Okay, and I've got also what? T, this small distance TO, this small distance TO, this one is what? It's 9, so over 9. So we have got here 12 over this 12 over the small part, which is 9, equals to what? I told you the big one here, XY. Oh, it's not X, this is the X coordinate. OY, which is what? On Y coordinate here, we have got here 16, so it's 16. So the distance here is 16. Okay, okay. And over what? The small one, OU, the smaller one. Okay, and I need to know OU. Cross multiplication, 9 times 16, 12 times OU, then you got OU 12. So I got here OU, this part, guys, OU is 12. And this one, 16. And this one, 9. And this one is 12. Okay, so what should I do now? He asks me to find the factor also. Y lies on the y-axis. U lies on the y-axis. Sorry, I don't know why I keep saying uy. U lies on the y-axis. So its x-coordinate is 0 since OU is 12. This is what we did now. Its y-coordinate must be 12, then the coordinates of U are 0 and 12. What are you saying, miss? Here, guys. Here, I'm talking about OU. OU, what here? We found that it's 12, right? We found that it's 12. OU, this one, we found that it's 12, right? So, it's a 12 here. This is, I'm asking myself, is this the y coordinate or the x coordinate? It goes up on the y coordinate, right? So, what do you think, guys? It's the y coordinate or the x coordinate? Of course, the y coordinate. Okay, so that we have here, I told you that we have got here 0 and 12, so it's on the y coordinate, guys. So x here, x coordinate will be just 0 here on the origin, just 0. Okay, 0 and go up until 12. So the here I have got the coordinates 0 and 12. So when I say we have 0 and 12, okay, and we have got the other one is 0 and 16, 0 and 16. Okay, why? Because OU, okay, because you've got here OU, this one, 0 and 12. So that you have got here OU, here guys, OU and OS. OS you got here, what, 0, 16. OU you got here 0 and 12. Okay, we